customize your notification LEDs on Android. This is really great tip that offers a hidden way to personalize your Android notifications visually. Usually we have a notification LED on Androids. It could be red, white, or even yellow light. So to change those notification selection lights based on different settings, you're gonna head over to settings and click onto notifications. Now from the notifications section, you're gonna select LED indicator and then assign custom colors to different apps or events. Let's head over to notifications, and once you're there, you can just simply add in the different colors to different apps or events. For example, if you want your phone to specifically show yellow LED indicator to show that you received a text on WhatsApp, as opposed to a white one to determine that you've received a text on Facebook or a notification on Facebook. So both of these easily denote something else entirely. So this is it. This is how you can customize your notification LEDs on Androids.